Alright, let's see what we have here. What is this garbage? YOWU HATSUNE MIKU limited edition cat ear headphones. On brand indeed. Okay, there's a box. In a box. Let's see what we can do about that box. It's like the most brutal unboxing video ever. Like, there's no fucks given. Okay. It's the collection. This is all the artwork that comes with it. Let's see what's in here. Oh, I'm gonna have to be careful. All right. No knife. I think it peels. And all of the artwork with these headphones. They contracted a whole bunch of different artists. I'll have to track these down for like wallpapers and stuff. I like this one. You should cosplay this one. Doll. I want to be as cute as that. Alright, so on top of the bottom, right here. Whatever. Fuck it. Send it. Okay. Whoop, scratch the case, whatever. Here goes this resale value. Continuing. Come on. Artwork on the box, pretty cool. Comes with a carrying case. Alright, this needs to go somewhere. Okay, fine, over the motors. Over my hex keys. There we go. And this lifts up eventually. Wow, it's like a gas spring. I can install this as a shock absorber. There we go. Okay. I'm running out of places to put things. There we go. And here is the final thing. Look at that. This is a nice case. This can carry mini robots. It's upside down. I should probably be better about this. Okay. Gearboxes. Too much crap on this table. It's a thing. Oh, look at this. These are really cool. They have batteries on right now? How do I power them on? Okay. Don't think they come charged. Or I can't find the on switch or something. But they do extend. Do I have to hold the button? No? Okay, they're probably just not charged. But they're in here. Is there anything else in here? Do I get any accessories like mic cables, headset things? Are they elsewhere? Okay, this is like glued in place, so I don't want to yank that out. Is there anything else left in there? So you don't even get a, oh no, I'm wrong. There's goodies. There's a goodie box that's in this pink envelope. Okay, here is all the other goodies here. The charging cord, strap, USB adapter, and then this is the Miku poster that you get with it. So I'll frame this up somewhere, probably in the shop here, next to Overhaul or something. And then spec sheet, manual, torque specs, got lubrication specifications, what grade of oil, probably should change the factory fluid right away before I use it. Warranty card written in some gibberish I don't understand. Oh, it's Chinese. Never mind. Well, there we have it. In the boot.